Hey, how you doing? It's me, Kevin Clark. It's a privilege and an honor to be serving you at such a time as this. And internet marketing is what it's all about. And this video is about traffic. I don't care how long you have been creating products. If you're fresh, it's important for you to know this. You will not make a penny until you get a head around getting traffic to your website, your blogs, your CPA offers, anything you got online, anything you're selling online. You need traffic, not just traffic, but quality traffic. And what I'm going to share with you works guaranteed. That's a strong statement. Have I used this system? Yes. Welcome to Udemy. Before we go any further, make sure you subscribe so we can stay close, so we can build together and grow a great community and add value to each other. Please. Much respect, much love. Anyway, as we move swiftly, Udemy works. I am not going to put my money anywhere where I am not getting results. I may test a few things, do a ton of research before investing my money, but after I've done the best that I can do, I'll put my money down and then I'll talk about the results after. Udemy is amazing. That's why you will see the link to Udemy in every one of my videos in the description box below. That's how confident I am about Udemy, and it's always worked for me. It's worked for a ton of people. It's a very respected platform. Udemy never use bots and all those tedious, foolish type of methods. It's 100% genuine, natural, organic. And I'm going to show you on the inside how this platform works. It's free to sign up. You can sign up 100% free. The link's in the description box. That will help you do so. I am affiliated to Udemy myself. So when you click on that link in the description box and sign up to Udemy, if you choose to use the services in terms of investing into lists, which I'll talk about in much more detail, then I'll also be rewarded for my efforts, so we all grow together. And that's how I can be here to invest in you. So again, much love. Let's jump into this. On the screen here, this is Udemy. This is the back office when you log in, okay? So you sign up and you get yourself an account. It's 100% free to sign up and get yourself into Udemy, okay? So once you've signed up, you've got some basic settings here. So to my left, you've got home, orders, messages, add texts, money, friends, settings. So you go in there, complete your profile, settings, etc., the basic stuff. Now, I'm gonna let you go into this in more detail, but I'm just gonna go through the basics. When you have a product or a service and you need traffic, you need to tap into a place where there is rich traffic. Not just rich traffic, but targeted traffic, specific, niche-based, strong buyers traffic. That's what we're talking about here inside Udemy. And here, these people, they have a database of rich lists that are targeted to niches. So as an example, this chap here, top 1% highest I got sales rated Udemy verified seller. Look at that. How strong is that? So here, he's charging 54 cents per click on your ad, whether it be an email, okay, a solo ad, whether it be an email, a CPA offer, whatever it is. Once you give this gentleman your written up email with your embedded affiliate link in there, or with your website link in there, or your CPA link in there, whatever link it is, once you submit it to this guy, what he will do is he will pump that email directly to his targeted database. And inside of Udemy, you have specific niches. So for example, if you're into internet marketing and that's your niche, you will find somebody that has a list pertaining to your niche market. So let's click on this chap, shall we? Get some more information. So it's based in the Netherlands. 40%, look at that. 40% of ratings where buyers report sales, calculated from 100 latest solos. Example, 30% means the seller got sales ratings out of 100 ratings. Come on now, look at that. For law of averages right there, at 30% out of 100. That's strong. That is very strong feedback. Look, 17% of reporters' orders from customers. 2 hours average time it takes for this seller to accept your order. I mean, this is some strong data, guys. Look. And these are extra. I will write you a unique swipe made for the make money online niche. If you don't provide me any info, you will receive a generic swipe. Any more information you provide will be taken into consideration for the order. Okay? So it's showing you directly how it must go. About the seller, sold 23 solo ads recently. Top 1% I got sales rated vendor on Udemy with quality clicks, as I've just described. On a mission to give solo ads a good name. I love that. 90% T1, 95% average. Over delivery on every order. Strong. Leads added daily. Come on, fresh leads are going into his database daily. So you're talking about very, very high, warm, ready, credit card pulling out of wallet, paying customers going straight into that list. Yeah. Continuous improvement of list quality. Free funnel and landing page review. Traffic suitable for any money related niche. This is why this guy's got such a high response rate there. Look, high turnaround. This is why he's popular, because he's adding much value. He's respecting his list, he's fine combing his list, he's tuning it up, and he's adding tremendous value. So people will always come back, and that's a rule. Add as much value as possible and look after people, and they'll look after you. It's all about integrity. In the past, I've taken shortcuts, and guess what? It's cost me a lot of pain, and I'm not doing that again. Ever. Ever, ever. So, look, no scams allowed. I will refuse your order. Example, click here to claim free money. Chuckle, chuckle. I will check your landing page and thank you page before accepting. I do my best for highest list quality, but I can never guarantee any. I like that. Real talk, yeah? You've got top tier countries here, so there you go. 90% United States, Canada, United Kingdom, Australia, India. Filtered clicks, 10%. Shows your friends there so you can see how trusted the individual is. And it's got 406 likes. And then you've got some more feedback here. Look at that. Loving it, loving it, loving it. So, that's just the basics, okay? Now, there's two places where I've invested my money for clicks. Facebook being one of them. Udemy the second. However, I've used Facebook for a completely different level of campaign. Whereas Udemy, if I'm doing affiliate marketing, CPA offers, etc., and I'm looking for immediate response per click, boom, Udemy's the one. So don't waste time. If you've signed up to Udemy already, get back in there and start taking advantage of the databases that are in there. If you haven't, go to my description box, click on the link, and that will take you to this service. Sign up and then start cranking out them campaigns. That's it from me, Kevin Clark, believing in you. Remember, stay focused. God bless.